Now let us talk about what is CCNA. CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate, and it is a learning program developed by Cisco Systems Company. Previously, before the curriculum got changed, the Cisco was offering CCNA on following different technology tracks. Number 1, routing and switching. Number 2, security. Number 3, service provider. Number 4, wireless. Number 5, video. Number 6, data center. Number 7, collaboration. Number 8, cyber operations. Number 9, industrial. And number 10, design. So previously, Cisco was offering CCNA in all these 10 different technology tracks. So this was about the past of the CCNA exam. Now let us talk about what is new CCNA. Now starting from 24 Feb 2020, Cisco changed the CCNA curriculum, and what it did, it consolidated all different technology CCNA tracks into one single CCNA track. And as you can see in this table, this is basically a snapshot from Cisco website where you can see there's different certification path. As you can see now, we have only one Cisco CCNA course available, and starting from CCNP, you can separate your technology tracks, right? You have CCNP Enterprise, which is basically covers routing and switching. Then you have CCNP Collaboration and CCNP Data Center, Security, and Service Provider. But all these tracks begin with one single CCNA course. So after taking the CCNA course and passing the CCNA exam, then you can choose any of the tracks. But I highly recommend to go for the CCNP Enterprise first, because CCNP Enterprise covers routing and switching technology. So why routing and switching technology is important than all other technology tracks? See, so you build the network infrastructure based on routing and switching technology. Now, for example, when government is building a new area, so what it does, first of all, it builds the basic infrastructure over there, right? It builds the basic water pipelining, and then it put the roads, right? The electricity cables, all this stuff. So once that basic infrastructure is built in that new area, then on the top of that, the government can build the schools, hospitals, shopping malls, right? All these things come after that, right? But the most important thing is the basic infrastructure. Similarly, you build the basic network infrastructure based on routing and switching technology, which is CCNP Enterprise. And once you have built the infrastructure, then on the top of that infrastructure, you can run collaboration technologies. Likewise, you can run data center technologies, you can run security technologies, and you can run service provider technologies, right? Without the basic infrastructure, without the understanding of basic network infrastructure, you cannot do well in the other technology tracks. So that's why I always recommend to complete at least CCNP Enterprise before changing your career path. The next important career path after completing CCNP Enterprise is security. Network security is become the most important technology everywhere in the IT world. Why? Beginning from 2010, if you see, the security threats on the network has grown dramatically, and that's why you see the security field has become much and more appreciated. And it was not known before 2010 that security has a value. Before, the security means just a firewall, right? But after 2010 and the years beyond, you can see security has become most popular field. So if you want to make really good money, what I recommend that you, after CCNP Enterprise, you must go towards the security field. So once you complete CCNP security, you can go towards CCI security. Also, you can pass other famously known security certification like CISSP. So this will add a lot of value to your network profile or to your professional profile, and you will make a handsome amount of salary or money anywhere in the world. So now let's talk about who is Cisco and why we are following a Cisco learning program. So Cisco is world's biggest pioneer in designing, manufacturing, and selling network equipment. Now, as per last year, 2021, this graph shows the market share of Cisco and other competitors in the network hardware infrastructure. So, in 2021, as you can see from this graph, the all around the world, the 41% of the network equipment installed in the enterprise network, it belongs to Cisco, and remaining 33% and less belongs to other competitors, right? So that is why Cisco certified engineers are most in demand. And if you look on the internet anywhere in the world, in any country, you will find a lot of jobs for Cisco certified engineers. That is the reason, because the most of the network equipment installed in the enterprises belong to Cisco, and they need someone who knows the Cisco's technology, right? So who is able to operate and manage that network. So that is one of the big reasons. So we all agree that Cisco is the world's biggest pioneer in manufacturing network equipment. But why do we need to still follow Cisco learning program? What is the reason? So the reason is Cisco is also world's biggest pioneer in developing the best learning material for network technologies, and it is recognized by the other competitors as well, like HP and Huawei. So it means that if you're a Cisco certified engineer, you can also apply as a network engineers in other competitors like HP and Huawei, and they have a special certification path for you, that they're going to accept your Cisco certification, and they will give you an option to pass a small exam and become their certified engineer. So Cisco certification gives you a lot of flexibility as a network engineer.